Hey guys, I'm Dr. Lauren with Revolution Chiropractic, and I have Rosemary here with me who had her very first chiropractic adjustment yesterday at our office, and she just came back and told us something really great.
I was very happy with the results. I got my first treatment yesterday, and I was finally able to sleep last night for the very first time in 2 years. No tossing,
So
no
cool.
turning, no medicine. I also went to see another doctor just to see, if
Another option.
another
right?
option, and immediately they offer medicine, and I said no. So I feel wonderful. I can't wait to continue with the therapy, and I'm so looking forward to more nights of sleep.
Yeah, thank you. I'm so excited for you.
Good.
So you guys, just wanted to tell you that you have other options out there. We would love to see you at the office and see what we can do to help your sleep, aches, pains, and dysfunctions, and check us out.